Welcome back to the Way of Life Ranch. Here in Costa Rica, we've been battling with some electrical issues with the power lines, and last night the whole road was out of power. So, and the day before, we were having some electrical issues. Like only a certain amount of the house would work, and we were flipping breakers, moving breakers around, and eventually got something to work, but then it stopped working. So an electrical guy came by real quick and wasn't even here out at the road at the meter for probably just a couple of minutes. We didn't even know he was here until we heard his truck leave, and suddenly got it all working again. I don't know what he did, if he just jiggled a wire or something. But now today, you'll see later in this video, we've got an electrical guy coming out. You'll see the pole that the meter is on is like, if there wasn't an electrical line connecting to the main power line on the road, that pole would be on the ground right now. But hopefully he can get everything fixed so we have reliable electricity here in Costa Rica. But the first thing this morning I'm gonna do is, Corey told me of a little trick that we haven't really confirmed yet if it'll work. But the chickens don't like molasses, so we've got a little bit left in here. And we've got this tub here for the calves that the chickens know that anything blue they can hop in really. They don't really hop in the tall ones for the regular cows, but there's just a little bit of molasses left. It'll take a while to get it all pouring out into this container here. I'm gonna mix some in here, and we'll see if I see any chickens in here throughout the day. Hopefully that's a good little trick. Now there's a little bit of corn mixed with minerals in here, so you wouldn't probably really want to put it in any feed, any grain pellets or nothing. Now it's time to get the chickens water and check for eggs. By the way, check for eggs first. Oh, I think I am. Oh, we're gonna let them in anyways, actually. No eggs back there. We're gonna let the chickens out anyways here soon, but I think there's a few more things we gotta do first. I just wanna make sure with Corey. I'm not wearing my mic today because it's been raining. I didn't want to ruin it. I've got a second one, but I don't want to take the chance. Next, I gotta fill up water for these guys. Well, I guess it's not for these guys. We got a pig we're fattening up in here, and then we've got a little piglet. Not too small. Soon he'll be big enough. We can't put him out free range yet because he'll go right under the electric fence. But soon we'll be able to. Probably here in a month or two. I can't film. It's hard to film me with putting their water over there while it's hard enough because of the free range pigs attacking me, thinking it's feed. Wanted to take a quick check. We've got 9 Muscovy ducks. We used to have 10, but one of the pigs got the other one. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. All right, they're all here. If I make this noise, I know that it's about feeding time for them. We give them a little bit of supplemental feeding, just corn. Corey will come back later and feed them. Well, we got them maybe 3 weeks ago, and they were really scared of us, obviously, but now we'll make that noise and they know that they're gonna get some feed, more comfortable with us. Personally, I like ducks better than chickens. They get bigger eggs. They have more of a personality. They always aren't trying to attack you when you're around them. Now, I haven't been able to find any eggs they laid. Like the first night that they were here, they for sure laid at least one egg. And I found that. But when we left, I put it back in there. I took it originally, but I put it back in there because I wasn't sure if we were going to have them hatch it or not. But I can't find any more eggs throughout here. Good for them, their pond has been holding water well too. I'm gonna come out to this pasture and check on these calves. The white Brahmin on the left has had a hernia, a real small one, an umbilical hernia. And the last time I checked, it's like almost closed up. Like I could only feel like a slight dimple, not even a hole. So that's good. And this pasture's been seeding too, and it's got a good, real good carpet grass in here, so it's looking great. But all they've been doing is eating grass, which is great. I can still see her rib cage though. Want her to eat more. Coming to make sure she doesn't have, all of them don't have any new cuts or anything, because we'll have to spray them or any extra signs of parasites. I gotta check around their ear tag, or at least hers. She's the only one that has an ear tag out of these guys, and make sure they don't have screw worms. That's a bad thing about the ear tags right now. We sprayed her sides, as you can see right here, and on the direct opposite side. I believe that this was caused by the parasites, but mainly caused by her hips rubbing on her. But that's scabbed up. I think that's good to go. It's getting a lot better. I don't have to spray it anymore. So far they're looking good. Just started sprinkling here, which is great. It's been sprinkling on and off all morning. Hoping that we'll get, it's only 8:15 a.m. so hopefully we'll get some really heavy showers around noon or a little later. That white one's got warts on her. Checking on him. Ooh. Hey girl. It's all good. Very curious. That one's got warts on them too. Is that a wart on his face there, or is it like a cut?
He's got a wart and a cut.
Wart and a cut.
It's gone completely away on its own.
Three
Two
of
of
them.
them. It's gotten worse.
No medicine so far?
No, I didn't put
Oh,
medicine on them.
just
They
cutting
healed
them?
them on their own.
Cool.
I cut some of them off,
Mm-hmm.
but none of them on the